Thanks to 30 years of experience in our composite shop, we've been able to develop only repairs that we perform in the hangar. As an operator, we understand the needs of an airline. That's why we have developed adaptive on-wing solutions, as for instance, complex GE90 cross-reverses composite repairs. These repairs, performed by a rapid response team of specialists, can be carried out either in case of AOG or during scheduled maintenance checks, and guarantee optimized TAT with extensive cost savings. Today, Afi Klm E&M offers the best solutions for your composite repairs.